Managing multiple configurations in prototype wiring is made easier by maintaining consistent wiring for all configurations in a single composite prototype wiring design, saving design time and reducing the scope for error in production environment where you have complex option expressions for different configurations. For increased efficiency and dialogue to assist in the definition of prototype wiring expressions. Synthesis reports wires with different prototype option expression compared to prototype constraint configuration, hence prototype wires will be ignored.